Hello, learners. Welcome to Daily English Speaking. Today, we will discuss how reading more can help you speak better. In this video, we will cover everything related to this topic, so watch till the end and don't miss any secrets. Let's get started without any delay. Have you ever wondered why you understand English in your head but struggle to speak fluently? Or why you know grammar rules, but your sentences still feel unnatural? What if I told you that one simple habit can unlock your fluency, boost your vocabulary, and improve your confidence? Yes, it's reading. But not just any reading smart, consistent reading designed for English learners. We're diving deep into the topic. Read more, speak better. This isn't just a theory. We'll show you real benefits, practical tips, and relatable examples that will help you make reading a powerful tool in your English journey. Scene: Ria, teacher, setting the stage. Ria: Good morning, teacher. I'm feeling excited and a bit nervous. I really want to improve my English, especially speaking, but I often get stuck. Teacher: That's completely normal, Ria. Many learners feel the same. But here's a secret. Reading can improve your speaking too. Today, we'll explore how. Why English is important today. Before we jump in, let's quickly understand why English is so important. Whether you're applying for a job, traveling, studying abroad, or using social media, English connects you with the world. It's the global language of communication. Knowing how to speak English fluently opens doors to better careers, education, and friendships across borders. In India, many job interviews and corporate meetings happen in English. Most digital content, whether it's a YouTube video or a tech course, is in English. So, learning to speak English clearly and confidently is a life-changing skill. The link between reading and speaking. Now, here's the interesting part. Reading may feel passive, like something you do quietly, but it's directly connected to how well you speak. Think of reading as input you fill your brain with patterns, vocabulary, and natural sentence structures. When it's time to speak, those patterns come out. You don't have to search for words. They're already stored in your mind. It's like feeding your brain the right fuel. The more quality English you read, the easier it becomes to express yourself out loud. Real-life example 1. Arjun's journey. Let me tell you about Arjun. He was a college student in Delhi who understood English but couldn't speak fluently. He decided to read just 15 minutes every day, starting with children's books and short stories. At first, he struggled with words and had to stop often. But he kept going. After a month, Arjun started noticing something. He could speak more smoothly. He was using words he had seen in the books. His sentences became more natural. Eventually, he gave a presentation in class all in English and impressed everyone. That's the power of reading. Benefits of reading for English learners. Here are 5 powerful benefits of regular reading. Vocabulary growth. You see new words in context. That helps you remember them better. Sentence structure. You learn how real English sounds and flows. Pronunciation help. Reading out loud trains your tongue and ears. Fluency boost. You stop translating in your head and start thinking in English. Confidence. You recognize words faster, speak with ease, and feel more natural. Types of reading that work. Not all reading is equal. Start with materials that are short and simple, graded readers, comics, short stories. About topics you love: sports, cooking, travel, fiction, designed for learners. Use apps or websites like Storyweaver, British Council, VOA Learning English. Avoid dense novels or textbooks at first. They may demotivate you. How to read effectively. Here's a reading strategy that works. Read for 10-20 minutes daily. Underline or highlight 3-5 new words. Guess the meaning from context before checking a dictionary. Write simple example sentences using those words. Read out loud for a few minutes to improve speaking flow. Think of it like gym for your English brain. Let's see real-life example 2, Priya's practice. Priya, a teacher from Lucknow, wanted to improve her English to apply abroad. She followed this exact routine for 2 months. She started with articles about cooking her favorite topic. Slowly, she began using those words in conversations. Her confidence grew, and today she teaches in an international school in Dubai, all thanks to reading. Addressing common questions. Ria, what if I don't understand everything I read? Teacher, that's okay. Understanding 70-80% is enough. You'll guess the rest. Ria, should I look up every new word? Teacher, no. It kills the flow. Only check 3-5 important words per session. Ria, I get bored easily. How do I stay consistent? Teacher, read about what you love. Whether it's cricket, romance, or science fiction, make it fun. Add audiobooks for better results. Want faster results? Pair reading with listening. Use audiobooks or YouTube videos with subtitles. Read along as you listen. This helps improve pronunciation and listening comprehension too. Let's see summary of key points. Let's recap. Reading improves speaking. It builds vocabulary naturally. You learn structure, pronunciation, and fluency. Real examples show it works. 15 minutes a day can change everything. Paragraph 11. Bonus tip. Start a reading journal. Keep a small notebook. After each reading, write date, title, 3 new words, plus meanings, 1 sentence using each word, a short summary in English. This keeps you consistent and tracks your progress. Paragraph 12. Motivation and final example. Remember, even if you feel shy or unsure, reading gives you quiet confidence. Every new word is like a tool in your speaking toolbox. Over time, you'll build a strong foundation, like building a house, brick by brick. Ria, I feel much more confident now. I'm going to start tonight. Teacher, that's the spirit, Ria. Small steps every day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. And yes, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on fun and useful English learning videos. Keep practicing, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy learning!